What's up, lazy people? Today a little hack instead of a real recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make a crispy bacon using your microwave with no smell and no smoke. For this recipe you need just bacon slices. Okay, put 2 paper towels on a plate and arrange bacon slices on a paper towels. Now cover your bacon with the paper towels more and cover all using a dish. Cool! Now we need just to cook bacon in our microwave. Guys, of course, if your bacon is undercooked after the time, you have to cook it some minutes more. Be careful when you remove the dish, it is very hot. Cool, our bacon is perfectly cooked. It is very crispy. Enjoy! If you like this video, please click like and share it. Don't forget, for new recipes in microwave, subscribe the channel.